Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by making your presence obvious and approachable. Set a clear selfie and 2-3 recent snaps that show what you like. Once done, enable quick add and sync contacts if you want to discover people you already know. Make sure privacy settings match your comfort. Then send one warm, specific opening message, reference how you met or a shared interest, because personalization increases replies and starts a real conversation quickly. Next, focus on content that invites responses. Post behind-the-scenes clips, polls, and short videos with playful stickers so people can react. When someone posts a story, reply within 24 hours and include a question or a voice note to make your message stand out. Once rapport starts, use streaks and Snapchat games to maintain contact, but prioritize authenticity. People respond to real curiosity and humor more than to obligation or numbers. Finally, convert casual exchanges into a closer connection by suggesting low-pressure next steps like a short group chat, a shared Snap challenge, or a quick voice call. This moves interaction off passive viewing into active dialogue. Respect pacing. If replies slow, give space and follow up after 2 or 3 days with something new or useful. Troubleshoot by checking your privacy and contact settings, re-adding politely, or offering to switch to another app if Snap notifications or delivery are inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.